Now to a desperate search off the coast of Newfoundland, and breaking news this morning.
Search crews have zeroed in on a specific search area after a military aircraft detected underwater noises during that search.
CNN correspondent Gloria Pazmino live in Newfoundland this morning. Gloria, this is a dire situation. Have you heard any updates from the Coast Guard?
Yeah, Kimberly, Rekha, we actually just watched a Canadian Coast Guard ship pull off the harbor here where we are and head into the ocean. Right behind me, you can see the mouth of the harbor there. We know that this mission was supposed to take place about 400 miles away from where we are now. And it was on Sunday that they lost contact with the mothership. Ever since Sunday, an hour and 45 minutes into the dive, the vessel has been missing and we have not heard from them. Now, last night, there was a bit of hope after some of the Canadian airplanes that are helping in this rescue mission detected underground sound. Now, the problem so far is that they have been unable to determine exactly where the sound is coming from. We're talking about a massive search area, and they've yet to be able to pinpoint exactly where the sound is coming from. The U.S. Coast Guard deployed vehicles to search the area last night, but they have not been able to pinpoint. That is going to be the first thing they need to figure out in order to attempt this rescue mission, something that has never been attempted before at these depths.
Gloria Pazmino live from St. John's, Newfoundland. Thank you.